Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and going straight to data and privacy so you can act now. Once on web and app activity, you'll see what's being saved. This matters because deleting without disabling will allow new items to reappear. Make sure to enable visibility if needed, then tap Manage Activity to view recorded searches and sites. This first step gets you from 0 to the list of entries you can delete, so you can target what matters. Once you're viewing Manage Activity, use filters to narrow by date range and product, search, maps, or YouTube, so you only remove what you intend. You can check single items for precise cleanup or choose Delete then Custom Range to remove a block of time. Confirm each deletion when prompted. This ensures Google removes those entries from your account history. As you work, pause to review adjacent items so you don't accidentally delete useful data while cleaning up. To finish, set auto-delete to 3, 18, or 36 months so future history purges automatically. This prevents repeat manual work. Make sure to turn off web and app activity if you want no new saves, but understand that some features like personalization may be affected. Once done, sign out and back in or clear your browser cache to ensure UI updates. If entries still appear, try a different device or restart the app. This often resolves sync or display delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.